Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Tzfat normally. I'm now in Tennessee at my daughter's house in New Spencer, Tennessee. And I want to show you the movements I use to embody the 27th day of the 40-day count of blessings between Shavuot and the 17th of Tammuz. 27th day is the Chaf of the word bracha, the third letter, and it's combined at the level of Netzach. It's combined with the Chirik, which represents Netzach. Some of the colors today, the rainbow system would have the Chaf as the fourth day of the week being a yellow for Netzach, and Netzach also can be a light pink in the Zohar system. So I'm using both those color combinations for today. And the Chaf itself as a world represents the world of Yetzirah, and the word Bracha, the third level, and it combines all the emotional field of that our soul plays in, and all the way. Hesed, Gevurah, Sefirot, Netzach, Hod, and Yesod are all included. And that is the level of Ruach, we call it, the Ruach level of our soul. So that's what we're kind of working with today. Netzach, a sense of purposefulness or determination, of focus, persevering, endurance, all that in our emotional sense of blessings that we have on the emotional level. For me, for example, the connections with my children as I'm visiting them in the United States, and my grandchildren, and it's a whole emotional world that I'm noticing the blessing, but also working on making it a sense of blessing, of connectedness, of relationship, and how we talk to each other, and the tones, and that each communication be for a blessing and not a blocking off of energy. So let's do the movements, the Chaf. I'm going to do the one where you don't raise your foot, but you step back with your left foot, palms face down, and then as you rock back, palms face up, and form a Chaf. And then if you do it repetitiously, you can go forward and back. I'm rocking forward and back. On my back foot, my right toe is forward, facing up, and when I'm forward, my left heel comes up. So this is the Chaf. And you come forward to come to a close. I do it with the right foot back. It looks like this. It's a nice shoulder roll. You can bend your head slightly to go in with a curve with the Chaf. And then come forward to close. Feet together, knees slightly bent, hanging from the string. And the Chirik is the single dot, which I represent by all my fingertips touching each other. It's the dot below the line, below the letter, and you gather your energy up together like a single focus, and then ease, like spreading it, your purpose out, your mission. E. 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 So this whole 4 days is the level of Netzach, of purposefulness, of focus. And now I want to show you the combination. So I take it through 10 levels from the crown of my head all the way down to my feet and to my center of my being in Malchut. I first do an active Malchut, and then at the end of the whole series, I do a receiving Malchut of receiving Hashem's breath. And again, bringing the energy down and grounding and centering myself for the day. noticing blessings at each stage. So starting with Ketcher, I'm going to step back with my left. Close, and then step to my right for the Chirik. And then for Hakma, stepping back with my right. And stepping to my right. Bina, step left. And to the left. Exit back to the right. Vora to the left. Sefirah, I'm going to step with my right and then cross over. So left for the Chirik. Back to the right for Netzach. To left for Hod. To the right for Yesod and a crossover. And left side Malchut and crossover. For the center column. And receiving Hashem's breath. Knees slightly bent, hanging from your string. Relax into God breathing us. However many times you need to feel centered and grounded and feel the energy running through you. So may you be blessed on this 27th day of the 40 days of counting blessings. And may you notice particularly your blessings in every relationship, even the difficult ones, offer us a blessing. May we experience it and bless others. Be well.